Okay, so let's check out one of my exhaust vents in action. This is how we work it. We push it up to open the vent, press the button, voila, we've got suction. Let's just see how much. Here's a piece of toilet paper and look at that. So I'm pretty psyched. I have two of these things. And of course, to shut it off, you press the button, you let the fan stop, and then you just pull the cap back down. That's it. So now I have both vents on, plus my phone charging. And as you can see, it's pulling 39 watts of power, or 38, depending, as it fluctuates. But I don't think that's too bad. Okay. It just went down to 37, but you get my drift. It's not a huge power draw, in my opinion.